Happy New Week! I'm here with my dad. And we just went to Soho Bagel through the drive-thru. I got this veggie wrap, which looks very good. It's a breakfast veggie wrap. And Dad got bagels. He got a Bills bagel. Look at this thing. It's red and blue for the Buffalo Bills. Pepper is very excited because we are going to the pet store. Pet Supplies Plus. Happy Wednesday, guys. I was at my parents' house with Zeus, and Jimmy and I decided to head over here to Walmart. Check out this Halloween-y stuff. Love this little pumpkin patch sign, very cute. It's only $4. Look at all these other fall things. They're a little more Thanksgiving-like. This one's really cute. I love the gold on it. This fall like greenery is nice. Also, this little trick-or-treat bucket is also adorable. It's only $2.48, $3. This little spooky tray here feels very Haunted Mansion-like. That spooky tray is only $2.97. I love all of these. So I think this like black and creamy vibe I might do for the living room. I feel like it works with the green we have in there. This little black cake stand's only $5. It's very cute and modern looking. Oh my gosh, and check out these iridescent skulls. $20 for those. These pumpkin bowls are everywhere this year, but we got a way better deal. These ones are $15. I think the ones we got were like $6. Lies, they were in the wrong spot. These ones are only $4. I do like the one I have a little bit better though. Also, tons of wax melts over here for $5 each. And they're a little bit bigger. So I needed some more flowers. I think this is gonna be $5. I need something more for my kitchen bouquet, and it has these cute little pumpkins in it. Also, these plants, $6.37. I just got one. Also, you might hate me for this, but I don't. And I have to ask, if he's 5 foot, is he the child anymore? I don't know. Okay, so we've all seen the Mickey Mouse ice cream bar and the Mickey Mouse sandwich. But I didn't know they had a Star Wars sandwich. Also some cute jewelry. I would totally wear these. Love the like blushy pink one. Also, if I was like 13, I would want this unicorn backpack so bad. Alright, my family's in the other room watching some TV and eating some dessert. But I got this kombucha I wanted to try. I've never tried it before, so let's give it a whirl. Ooh, does that smell good? It smells like vinegar. It has an effervescence, like a soda carbonation to it. It honestly tastes better than it smells. It smells very vinegary. Not terrible, actually. I'm think I'm gonna enjoy this. Hi friends, it is Saturday. I am right outside Michael's because Zeus and I are going in. I have a couple craft supplies that I need to get because we are having a craft day at Phil's mom's house. And actually my mom might come over too. So I'm pretty excited. It'll be fun, crafts and fall. So happy about it. So let's go into Michael's and I might look at some Halloween stuff because I kind of have a good idea of what we have and I want to expand on that with some new purchases for fall and Halloween decor this year. See, like, I love all these little signs, like the come in and enter if you dare, but who needs that many signs? I feel like I need to come back here and get a skeleton head. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with these little tubs. They make me think of Nightmare Before Christmas. Alright, so this first piece is gonna be a Haunted Mansion pinboard that I wanted to make. And I will show you me painting it black and then finishing it up. And I got this corkboard off Amazon. Came in a pack of 4. Next sign I'm going to work on is this really big one that I'm going to put in our entryway. It's going to have some pumpkins on it and a little bit of Disney magic. Here it is. I love it. And another project I'm doing is to make these bat signs to go near our TV. So I found this awesome poster board at Michael's. It's actually like rustic wood, but just poster board. So I cut it to size and I actually needed a little bit extra so you can kind of see there's a second paper there, but I feel like you can't really tell because of the lines in the wood. This is what it looks like when it's glued on. I actually just used removable glue dots so I can take it off and use the leaves again. Here is the final one to go on the other sides of our TVs. They even have Hidden Mickeys. Alright, crafting is officially done and Phil and I are going for a late dinner at Pasta Villa in Irondequoit.
So Pauline and I are out on date night and we drove over to Irondequoit to go to Guido's Pasta Villa. They have great food here. Last time we were here is the day Genevieve was born.
That was like 3 years ago.
It was 3 years ago. But this is a great local spot that we don't come to enough. The food is great, the portions are massive, and they have a great seafood menu. Since we're doing Weight Watchers, there's no shellfish or actual fish that is a lot of points. So it's good for us in that way too. So that's what we're doing. We got this little private room by the bar that we're excited about.
There was another couple sitting there, but they just left. And it's like closed off with like a little door here.
So this is a portobello mushroom stuffed with roasted red peppers, sausage, escarole, and ricotta cheese with a like kind of a roasted red pepper cream sauce. And these are scallops marsala.
Yum.
So we just finished our appetizers. They're both fantastic. The best one was the scallops marsala with the dried prosciutto, extra dried prosciutto, and the sun-dried or roasted red peppers. They were both very good, but I enjoyed the scallops more.
Yeah, a little sweeter sauce. And then what did you get to drink?
I got a double limoncello on the rocks.
And it was a good limoncello, right? Mm-hmm. Here is my orange roughy. It looks delicious. And then Phil and I both got garlic mashed potatoes. But the star of the show here is Phil's crab legs. Look at those.
So my meal was king crab legs, so it was delicious.
Easy peasy. My orange roughy was really good. It was basically orange roughy prepared French style, and it was delicious. And the potatoes were also very good. I love potatoes with their skins on. They were garlic, but not too much. It was just the right amount. Alright guys, well now we are home and I am so tired. So I'm gonna go to bed. That is it for this week. I hope you guys had a great time. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Comment below and tell me what was your favorite part about what we did this week. And if you aren't already subscribed to us, we would love for you to join in on the fun. We do weekly vlogs, we vlog our trips to Disney, and then I do lots of videos on here talking about pins, merch, all kinds of Disney stuff. So give us a sub and you can keep up with all of our great content. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.